Okay.
Hi, Simone and Kiki.
Is it too dark?
Nope.
Do you have enough light?
Yep. There's Kiki, Mom. Say hi to Mom.
Hi, Mom. Let me turn on the light for you.
Now I'm gonna go on your.
Okay, the problem is the light's behind us, so let's go in the other room.
What is this upside down kid?
Well, as you can see, Kiki and Simone are doing their acrobatics regularly. Simone, it took only Simone about 5 minutes to get to get used to it. Back up a little,
No!
to get used to each other. And now, this is basically what they do. There's Eva. Say hi to Joanne, Eva.
Oh, hi, Joanne. I've got to take my glasses off. See, they're taking a picture. Been thinking of you.
Yeah, we wish you were here.
Congratulations to the new grandchild. My goodness, all of a sudden they're going to be
3.
soon.
Really, from 1 to 3.
How can you stand it?
Well, we know it's not going to be born on January 25th.
Or this.
The third
Yeah.
one.
Ooh.
The third one.
The third one.
Will not be born on January 25th. If it is, forget it.
It'll be a July baby.
Yeah, maybe July 25th.
A July baby.
Simone, can you say hi to Grandma?
Hi!
Can you say hi so we can see your face, silly?
Hi!
Can you go up? Can you go upside? Not upside down?
Yeah, I want to go like this.
Why?
I want to do like
Chris, if you dislocate her ankles, I will kill you.
Hi.
That won't happen. This kid's disciplining everything on my body.
Again.
See,
Again.
look at this again and again and again, again.
Mom, I'm making up for the 2 years that I haven't seen her. 2 years of playing I have to catch up with.
Simone we just bought her this pretty blue dress today. It's her ballet dress.
What a shame. Somebody has to do it.
It's giving Dean a break though, because poor Dean's neck has been going out of alignment all the time because I'm lifting Simone and playing with her.
Okay.
So we finally sort of got used to jet lag, Mom, after about 3 days. Now we're starting to be more normal here. If you could call us ever normal. No, Kiki. No, Kiki, do it again. Simone, look at the camera for a minute and say hi to Grandma.
Hi!
I want to tell her that I haven't been put in jail
One
yet.
hand.
Oh wait, Oma, tell Joanne.
Joanne, she hasn't put me in jail yet.
But has she told you to stop driving fast?
Oh, she was saying I'm a good driver. Oh, I'm
Okay.
a what do I drive?
Well, she thinks you're a little bit fast driver sometimes. That's okay. Sort of like
But she
Mr. Tim.
complimented me
Did she?
and Madeline on our good drive.
That's true. She said that you did a good job.
Yes.
Okay, I'll find.
Yes.
Yesterday we went to Disney on ice and saw Beauty and the Beast on the ice capades. Will you tell Grandma what it was like? What was it like?
Tell her what the beasts look like.
What did she's not interested.
No, we gotta talk to Grandma for a minute.
Tell her.
Okay.
Tell some Grandma what you did at Beauty and the Beast.
We had cotton candy and Coke.
Was that the most
Cotton candy and
important
Coke.
thing? Next time I'll just buy you cotton candy and Coke and no ticket.
Okay, Kiki, you have to take a picture of my stomach for Grandma.
Okay, I'm gonna use the video camera. I'm gonna take mommy. Okay.
Okay.
Are you doing?
Yeah.
Hi, Mom. I just wanted to show you the stomach at 20 weeks.
Not as
Don't
really
bite.
not.
Yeah, it's pretty big though. It's kicking a lot. Okay. Whatever.
Here, hold on. Let's get it. Let's
Show Nellie, Ma.
just pull up the sweater just a little bit so we can see the
Show
stomach.
Nellie.
Okay, let's get it.
Cute.
Let's get a side view now.
Simone, can you say hi to the baby?
Side profile, Carla.
Can you talk to the baby for
You
a
have to
minute?
talk
Come on, come here and talk to the
otherwise
baby.
it gives the baby a fright.
Yeah, Baba.
Oh, no.
She's okay. She's cute.
Gently.
She's very gentle with the baby.
Yeah.
Yes, sweet. You have to whisper sweet nothing.
So that's the prenatal story of the year.
Whoa. I think I'm gonna go to
That- on that note, I'm gonna go pee.
Kiki used to be. Whoa.
Thank
Simone's
you.
birthday party video. We can watch it sometime.
Oh, yes.
Let's see, we got a little Valentine Barney there.
A Valentine Barney. Yes. There. You want to show your grandma the Valentine Barney? It's riding on your head with its big tail. Valentine Barney. Yeah. It's a lady. A lady. Yes. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. Yes. Gives you a little kiss. Another little kiss. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Poor Valentine Barney.
Where you go?
I'll have that candy. Oh, the candy is gone.